Chase, and we're the green class. When you come to school on Monday, look for this green crayon. I really think monsters are cute, so we're the first grade Monstars. Come on in and let's see our classroom. Boys and girls, each of you will get a green take-home folder to take home to Mom and Dad on Monday. In there's going to be some important papers. It will tell Mom and Dad about Picture Day on Thursday, August 27th. And it will also have some forms for Mom and Dad to fill out. And please return those as soon as possible. Thanks. One thing you might notice different about our room is you each get your very own desk. Now, not all of our things fit in our desk, so you're going to have an extra drawer to put all of your extra supplies in. I like to use flexible seating in our classroom, boys and girls, in case we need to get those wiggles out and to help us learn better. You might get to sit on a ball chair or a wobble chair, or if you need to stand for a few minutes, you can come work at our standing desk. Over this direction, we have our classroom library full of all kinds of books to read. So we'll get to pick books out of there and keep them in our desk and just have fun. You might also get a reading buddy. You can pick out a stuffed animal and we read to them at least once a week. So you'll get to pick your very own reading buddy out. Up towards the front of the classroom, this is our small group table where you're going to come work with Mrs. Chase. And so we do that for both reading and math, and maybe we just need some help, so we might come up here and work. And that's pretty much our classroom. So I can't wait to see you on Monday. Come ready to go and have a great weekend. See you, bye.